Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown here, back with another video for you today. And, we're introducing this, or should I say, I am introducing this wonderful program, Nexus Snapp, the Nexus Snapp program. And they're calling it the world's most lucrative $10 program. And I believe that this is exactly what it is, okay? I've been in Nexus for a little while, maybe about a year or so. I can't even remember. I ended up getting sick, and I kind of let it sit, man. And I was making money and didn't even realize it, and went back and looked at it again because they introduced start talking about the travel part of the program. That's when I actually found out, man, I was making money with this thing and how good it actually is. And I said, boy, I want to get back into really promoting this program. Why? Because people can really benefit from this program. You can make money, you can save money, and people are being blessed by this program. And so I said, man, I've got to share this, okay? And if I didn't say it, it's called the world's most lucrative $10 program. Yeah, I did say that. Okay. Sometimes I get to talking, man, and I forget what I'm saying sometimes because I'm not using a script, but I'm just going to follow what I've got on my screen here. But look at this for me. It says, apps and services can make you thousands yearly. Okay. You can get paid on free signups. All right. There's a whopping $25 on paid signups. Okay. So, there's a enrollment fee of just $40, and then there's $9.95 a month. And man, you can save so much with this program and make so much. So, that's where that comes in, the $25 on the paid signups. All right. And then you can earn 10 plus levels of team overrides. That's powerful in itself. Okay. And we have a video that goes through all that for you. Okay. A lucrative 3x10 matrix builder, 100% check match that can 3 to 4 times your earnings. Oh my, folks, I'm going to tell you something. This is absolutely incredible. And it's just a wonderful program that's beneficial. Like I said, I was making money, didn't even realize I was making money until I went back and rechecked. Okay. And that's the honest to goodness truth. Now look at this. Dynamic 20% coded infinity bonus. Okay. Now, I want you to check here for me. It says Nexus VIP travel. This is something that they just introduced. And this is absolutely fabulous in itself. Now with Nexus, okay, this is it's a full program. We've got nutritional products. We've got the travel program. We've got the saving portions. We've got the earning. And really the videos that you need are here. The marketing system is here. This is just absolutely incredible. And if you don't look at it, you can miss it. If you don't see it, you can miss it. Okay. And I was missing it for a while, but I'm not going to miss it again. All right. So I'm going to leave a couple of links for you in the description area of this video. Make sure that you check those links out, and you can get signed up for free even. Check it out and see if this is something that resonates with you. I believe that it will, but you've got to check it out for yourself, okay? Okay, so there you have it. Make sure you grab the links in the description area of this video. Check this out. I mean, you really, really do need to check this out. You can sign up for free. Okay, get inside, take a look around, see how powerful, see how awesome this opportunity really is. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and amazing, amazing, amazing day today. Bye-bye now.